Hey guys, so I've been under the weather for some time now and I'm finally feeling halfway decent again. So I finally got over here and we'll go ahead and start a print. Since Easter's coming up, I decided to go ahead and print this little rabbit that's got a flower pot with it that I found on Thingiverse. I'll put a link to it down in the video description. And I was going to do it in like lavender or yellow or something like that, and I decided to just go ahead and go with a wood PLA from AMZ3D and print it in that. That way if I want to paint it later on I can. But I think it'll probably go better with flowers or whatever I want to put into it at the end of this project. Anyway guys, I'm going to go ahead and start up the print. It is sized to 10,000% of original size. It's like really tiny on the build plate if you go 100%. So I sized it up so it'll fit on this build plate it'll fill it up. So it's going to be interesting to see how it turns out. And another thing is, since this has the volcano style hot end, I went ahead and I set it for 0.3 layer height. So it'll be my first time trying it at 0.3, and so we'll see how it turns out. I'll see you guys at the time lapse. Well guys, that was just over 21 hours. I already took a heat gun to it and brush and kind of got some of the wisps off of it. The thing about the wood PLA is I've never figured out how to print right with it. But I gotta say, that pot really has some interesting artifacts to it. I don't think it's from the printer either. I think it's just the way the design is. I did print at 0.3 layer height, so it's definitely taller layers than I've ever printed with before. But I don't see any of the Z-wobble in the print, so I think I might have that problem licked on this printer. But I must say it came out really nice. I like it. I just got to figure out a plant to put in it, and might do some painting on it or something a little bit later on. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Have a great day. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you have a chance, please check out my website, JimmyShawsTidbits.com. where you can purchase merchandise from my TeePublic store, as well as check out my Amazon affiliate link. Anything purchased from one of those helps the channel tremendously, and I thank you for it. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, as many of these people have, please check out my Patreon link over here. You can support the channel from there. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe over here. And if you'd like to check out one of my other videos, please give one of these a shot. I think you're going to like them, especially that one over there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care.